Hey guys, today we are doing a super simple recipe for refrigerator pickles with a low carb option.
All while having a whole lot of fun. Cucumbers and onions right there. Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the good old boy, where we cook up another dish from recipes.crock.com, and also today goodnessgracious.com. Don't forget about that one. And today, what were we cooking?
Well,
nothing. We're not cooking nothing.
It's been a bit of a week or two here lately between everybody, summer schedules and everybody being sick. So we're going to keep it simple today and show you a recipe that is on about every dinner table we have in the summer, especially when we're with family and friends. It's a recipe I get asked for all the time, and it is refrigerator pickles. And that's just a fancy way of saying cucumbers
and onions.
And so it was something that my grandmother would always make every time we'd have cucumbers in the garden. And this is a low carb take on it. I've kind of reworked it a little bit for our low carb taste. But you also have you can do this in multiple ways. It's easily adaptable. The way that I like to make it, and the way that my guests usually like it and ask me the recipe for, is a sour pickle.
Yeah.
So what we do is we use vinegar, water, and then we have a sugar substitute. You can use real sugar if you want to. If you like things to be a little bit more sweet and less sour, then we'll tell you how to do that later. But to get started, we're going to use 2 cucumbers and chop those suckers up into bite-sized pieces.
Yeah.
So Mike's already peeled them, and he's just going to go ahead and chop them while I make the solution over here that we're going to put them in. We also have 3 green onions.
Yes.
We're just going to trim off the ends on both ends.
Get rid of the bulbs. I've already trimmed this up here. You don't want the white, you just want the green.
Nope, we're just going to add that in there. If you're not eating low carb, or if you would prefer, you could also add just sliced white onion in here. That's what Grandma used to do. But we're using green onion to give us that oniony flavor without the carbs of the regular onion.
Now, when you're doing this recipe, like Chris said, this is going to be for the sour recipe. That's what we're going to show you here. And then I'm going to show you, if you want the sweet recipe, how to turn that up. And that is, you want 1 cup of white vinegar.
This is for sour.
Yes. You want 1/2 cup of water. And then you want 1/4 cup of whatever kind of sweetener you're using. Like we're using sucrin, which is a 1-to-1 ratio as far as how it compares with sugar.
Kind of.
Or you could use 1/4 cup of sugar, and then salt and pepper to taste.
Yes.
Now, if you want to do the sweet version of this, you're just going to flip some ingredients around. You're doing a 1/2-1/4 ratio like this. If you want the sweet version of this, you want
1 cup water.
Yes, you want 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup
sugar.
of sugar, and 1/4 cup of vinegar.
Yeah.
So you're just going to change up. And again, you can see that down in the description below. We'll have the recipe on Recipes That Crock for the sour, and for the sweet, we'll show that to you on goodnessgracious.com.
So is everybody thoroughly confused?
I am now. I'm just going to go with what I'm good at, and that's trying not to cut my
this
fingers
is
off.
one of those recipes that, depending on how many cucumbers you have in the garden or you bought at the grocery store, and how many people you have coming over, you can always increase this recipe or decrease this recipe.
You like that thickness, by the way?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Because these are called, in other my grandmother's cookbook called them 3-2-1 pickles. So 3 parts, 2 parts, 1 part. And I would always mess around with the parts to get it, because I like the sour. Because I'm like I've always loved like salt and vinegar. Oh my goodness.
I think I'm putting that camera off.
Salt and vinegar, like potato chips and stuff like that. So I like the sour. That's what I serve at my house, and that's what people tend to like. My niece Isla loves these pickles. Every time she's over, we are having these things. So 1 cup vinegar, 1/2 cup water, and 1/4 cup of our sugar substitute. Now, years ago, I used to make this with Splenda. You can use regular sugar if you're not using sugar substitutes. these days we use sucrin and we're using the granulated. It's going to take a little bit of mixing up to get that to dissolve.
I'm just going to sit here and eat your cucumbers. I love cucumbers.
These will get more sour over time, so I will usually make this up a few hours before dinner. I like them straight out of it too, but
the longer they soak,
the longer they soak, and then even overnight, that as if they last that long, you will they will get even more sour, and then as time goes by, like further on in the week, they get more sour and more sour.
And the reason we're doing this recipe is a lot of times people are like, well, what side dish could I put with blah blah? What side dish do you think this is one we serve with all kinds of stuff. It's really good with like grilled meats, especially grilled chicken. We love it with grilled chicken.
This is also a good thing that you could serve with a side salad because these would be really tasty on a salad. Okay, I'm dissolved. I'm ready for...
All right, well, I will get you your pickles, and then I'll go to town on these onions.
Oh!
No. We don't want that pickle.
No.
My bad.
It's alright. You're not using your handle trick.
I don't think they would fit all through that handle right there. So now I'm just going to come through here and I'm just going to chop up my onion. And again, I am going to stay away from the bulb. And I'll get it right down right where the green ends, which will be right there. Get rid of that. You don't need. You could eat it. They're good. They're just a little hot, I think. But that's all you do. Now I will use the handle trick. Spin that sucker around. Oh, and use the back of my knife. Don't use the blade. Sorry, Jan.
Okay.
Jan knows we love
this bowl is keeping my pickles down in the liquid a little bit difficult. It's okay. We could always add more liquid just using my 3-2-1 method, or I could just transfer this to a flatter bowl so that it all gets down in there.
And that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
Dude, that's done.
I still need to salt and pepper it.
Let's put some salt and pepper in there.
Yep, so I'm going to salt it.
And this is just a taste, however salty and peppery you like it.
And
I like a lot of pepper when it comes to these.
Yes. Now I can remember this out on Grandma's kitchen table all the time. Like, this is like a summer staple.
No, it's fresh. It's fresh. Yes. It's crisp. It's cool. You know, and when it's really hot, I mean, I'm not much for eating hot things.
And when cucumbers are like at their peak and they're super flavorful, oh, nothing better. This is like a total treat. So do you want to get a plate so we can...
I'll get a bowl. Well,
Now, right now, they're going to just have a little bit of a flavor to them. In an hour or two, they're going to have that nice tart flavor. Oh, you're going to pull some out, huh? Oh, that's a lot.
I'm hungry. Oh. Quit knocking that off my spoon. Look at that.
Yep. All right.
There you go, y'all. Look at that. Cucumbers and onions right there.
All right.
How about you? But I won't. Oh, get here.
I'm just going to grab one. I love how sour they are. Now, if you're not a sour fan, you're going to want to go the sweet route.
I'm telling you right now, that's going to give you a pucker. Let me show you.
But that's how I serve it at all of our parties and stuff. And I've yet to not be asked for this recipe. Like, people love it.
Look at that. Watch this. Watch what happens. Perfect.
But if you like this recipe, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you are not already a member of the Crock Posse, click subscribe down below and you'll become a member of our slow cooking or not cooking family around here. If you would like notified every time we upload a video, click the bell down below.
We call that the ding-a-ling.
Yeah. But whatever you do, we hope you
laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life.
Bye, guys.
Bye, y'all.
Oh, I love those.
Give me some more of that.
Yes.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon.